Welcome back to Auto's Car, the home for timeless classics, modern restorations, and automotive legends. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The new next generation of the iconic 1970 to 1980 Chevrolet Cadillac Classic has officially been unveiled, and it's making waves across the car enthusiast world. This reborn masterpiece takes everything we loved about the golden era of American automotive luxury and muscle and blends it perfectly with today's advanced design and performance standards. The original Chevrolet Cadillac models from the 1970s and 1980s were known for their bold presence, smooth ride, and powerful V8 engines. They were more than just cars, they were statements of prestige, style, and strength. Fast forward to today, and the new next-generation model is paying tribute to that legacy while pushing the envelope of what a modern-day classic should be. From the moment you lay eyes on this machine, the nostalgia hits you hard. The long, sweeping body lines, the sharp, squared-off rear fenders, and the signature front grille inspired by the original Cadillac Fleetwood and DeVille models. Everything screams classic, but there's a twist. The body has been refined with a sleeker aerodynamic touch, giving it a more aggressive yet elegant profile. The designers clearly wanted to honor the past while embracing the future. Under the hood, this next-gen classic doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a high-performance hybrid V8 powertrain that delivers smooth cruising capabilities with a punch of acceleration. When needed, it's a nod to the muscle of the 70s with the efficiency of modern engineering. Whether you're on a weekend highway cruise or simply turning heads at a car meet, this beast has the power and grace to stand out anywhere. Inside the cabin, you'll find an exceptional mix of retro styling and cutting-edge technology. Imagine vintage leather bucket seats with modern contour support, classic dials alongside a full digital display, and yes, even a state-of-the-art infotainment system discreetly integrated into the dash. It's comfort, luxury, and nostalgia all rolled into one space that feels as good as it looks. The attention to detail is something every car lover will appreciate, from the wood grain trim to the chrome accents. Every inch has been crafted to perfection. What makes this unveiling even more exciting is the limited production run. Only a few hundred of these next-generation Chevrolet Cadillac Classics will be made, making each one a collectible masterpiece. Whether you're a vintage car lover, a muscle car enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates fine design, this car offers the best of all worlds. It's not just a car, it's an experience. It's a salute to an era that defined American automotive history and a glimpse into how that era can live on today with style, technology, and unmatched presence. If you've ever dreamed of owning a modern classic that captures the soul of the 70s and 80s while still offering a premium 21st century driving experience, this is it. Thanks for watching Auto's Car, where legends never die. If you're passionate about cars like we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all things classic and custom. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the memories alive.